Let us take one more problem from marginal costing. Profit volume ratio of a company is 50% while its margin of safety is 40%. If sales volume of company is rupees 50 lakhs, find out BEP and profit. This is the problem. Profit volume ratio of a company is 50%, while its margin of safety is 40%. If sales volume is rupees 50 lakhs, find out BEP and profit. So this is the problem. Profit volume ratio of a company is 50% while its margin of safety is 40%. If sales volume is rupees 50 lakhs, find out BEP and profit. Let us calculate first profit. Profit is equal to PV ratio into margin of safety. Here we don't have margin of safety, but percentage is given, so that we can calculate profit ratio. Profit ratio is equal to PV ratio into margin of safety ratio. PV ratio is 50%, 50 by 100. Margin of safety percentage is 40 by 100 into 100. Then we will get 50 by 100, 50 ones, 50 twos, 2 ones, 2 20s, 20 ones, 25s. Then we get 20% is profit ratio. Therefore, profit is equal to, we calculate profit ratio on sales. Sales given is 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs into 20 by 100. Then you will get rupees 10 lakhs. So this is profit. Then we calculate BEP. How can we calculate BEP? BEP is equal to fixed cost by PV ratio. Here we have PV ratio given as 50%, but we don't know fixed cost. So let us calculate fixed cost. How can we calculate fixed cost? Fixed cost is equal to contribution minus profit. Fixed cost is equal to contribution minus profit. Contribution we calculate. Contribution is equal to S into PV ratio. S is 50 lakhs into PV ratio is 50%. Then we get rupees 25 lakhs is contribution. Now we got contribution. So fixed cost is equal to contribution rupees 25 lakhs minus profit rupees 10 lakhs. Then you will get rupees 15 lakhs fixed cost. we got fixed cost also. Therefore, BAP is equal to 15 lakhs divided by PV ratio rupees 30 lakhs. So this is BAP. Then we take one more problem from marginal costing. A company is manufacturing the products X, Y and Z. It supplies you the following information: X, Y, Z, rupees, rupees, rupees. Direct materials, $2,500, $10,000 and $1,000. Direct labor, $3,000, $3,000 and $500. Variable overheads, $2,000, $5,000 and $2,500. Sales, $10,000, $20,000 and $5,000. Total fixed cost, rupees 3,000. Total fixed cost or fixed overheads, that is 3,000. Prepare a marginal cost statement. Prepare a marginal cost statement and determine profit and loss. And determine profit and loss. So this is the problem given to us. What is asked in the problem? Prepare a marginal cost statement and determine profit and loss. Let us do answer. We prepare marginal cost statement. Marginal cost statement. This is product X, this is product Y, this is product Z and this is total. Okay, let us take first sales. What are the sales of X given in the problem? 10,000. I write it here. This is rupees column. This is also rupees column. Inner column and outer column we have to maintain. Inner column and outer column. Okay. Y sales are rupees 20,000 and Z sales are rupees 5,000 minus V, that is variable overheads or variable cost. The variable costs are first direct materials. Direct materials 2,500 for X, for Y 10,000, for Z 1,000. Direct labor for X is 3,000, Y is also 3,000 and Z is 500. Variable overheads X is 2,000, Y is 5,000 and Z is 2,500. So if we add up this, we will get contribution. So what is contribution? Let us do 2,500 plus 3,000 plus 2,000, that comes to 7,500. Here it comes to rupees 18,000. Here that is 4,000. Then we subtract the variable cost from the sales. You will get rupees 2,500 for X. For Y it is rupees 2,000 and for Z it is rupees 1,000. So this is contribution. This is called contribution. C minus fixed cost. So for the whole amount we can take up fixed cost. Fixed cost given in the problem is rupees 3,000. Here we take up this. The total contribution is 2,500 plus 2,000 plus 1,000. That comes to 5,500. So total contribution we have to take up. If you subtract rupees 3,000 fixed cost from total contribution, you will get rupees 2,500 is profit. So this is answer for